A very simple one I haven't really covered that much, so let's get right into it. It goes hand in hand a little bit with my whole slow and steady philosophy in that when you're doing things, you want to transition your belief. And if you make too big of a leap, then it's your mind doesn't believe it, and you feel bad going for such a big goal because you never feel like you're making any progress, and then eventually you give up. And the thing I wanted to go into is something that's been covered by many other people. It's how teachable are you? Okay, are you coachable? I remember one person. Sorry, I'm brewing tea here. It's gonna get loud. Um, One person I studied under talked about Michael Jordan and how coachable he was. Okay, he was the most coachable player, and that went back to the influence his college coach had on him. He was just a very coachable guy, and of course, everybody knows Michael Jordan's pretty much the greatest of all time, arguably. And what it goes back to is how coachable are you? How teachable are you? Okay, this changes from moment to moment. Okay, now of course, I a lot of people hear that and they think, got to be humble, got to be willing to learn, and yes, you do 100% have to. But sometimes maybe you're tired. Maybe you've been learning too much. Maybe the concepts you're learning are too advanced. You're not going to be able to learn calculus if you don't know your times tables. You're not going to learn your timetables if you don't know your numbers. So teachability doesn't just have to do with being humble and saying, I don't know what I don't know. It also has to do with, wow, can I soak up this material right now? If you're overwhelmed, if you're studying too many things at a different time, then you're not teachable at that moment. Maybe you need to walk away, take some time, focus on other things, and then come back to it. Okay? And the best way to kind of approach it, in my opinion, maybe this will help you, is what is the biggest thing, biggest small thing you can do that you can consistently do over and over and over and over and over and over again. Because it's that consistent action that is planting and watering the seeds in your subconscious mind to tell you, hey, I'm becoming this person. And again, it's not what you get, it's who you become. Because who you become results in what you get. Okay, it's another way in sports terminology, it's not the score, but it's the effort you put in. Okay, the peace of mind, which is a direct realization of, which is a direct result of self-realization that you made the best effort to become the best that you can be. Okay, so from moment to moment, try to be as teachable as you can, but know you have limits. Okay.